This clean, full-size, low-kilometer 2017 Dodge Ram 3500 is purpose-built for hauling. It looks amazing in metallic gray with a lift kit, 18-inch alloy wheels, Cooper off-road tires, and a roof rack with auxiliary lighting. Around back, this awesome 4x4 features an 8-foot bed, chrome bumper, wheel flares, and a tow package. Drop the tailgate and you'll find a fifth wheel hitch and an additional fuel tank in the bed. From the driver's side, the truck has an impressive stance, and it's equipped with hood-mounted LED lights and a chrome grille and bumper. Inside this spacious cabin, you'll find two-tone upholstery, air conditioning, power windows and locks, heated power seats, cruise control, tilt steering with a leather-wrapped wheel, a flip-up sunroof, power folding mirrors, keyless remote, and an AM, FM, sat radio audio system with Bluetooth, navigation, and a backup camera. In the back, there's seating for 3 with a huge amount of legroom for your passengers, or you can use the area for additional cargo space. The engine bay is clean and power comes from a 6.7-liter Cummins Turbo Diesel I-6 mated to a 6-speed manual transmission. Don't wait on this one-of-a-kind sport pickup. Call today to book your test drive or stop by for a look. We're located on Leathead Road in Kelowna.